아버지기. 내마. 업.
Wave that ball. It's under. Get it. I can't even hear you.
Nemo.
Yeah. You see what's going.
Nemo.
Get up! Hey! Hey! Nemo! Come on, boy. Goed, jongen. Come on, boy. Hey, Fatima.
I'm live.
Why did they all cross this way?
So they can catch up.
I think they're still going.
That's it. This is the last class.
And we're done for the day? Really?
I think there's progeny and kennel groups and things like that. Hey, Alonzo, come over here. Hold this like this. I'm gonna run over there with water, and then when they come here, do it like
Yes,
this.
I know. We got
Okay?
that
But
screwed
not
up
for
too.
long, right? Because I don't want to.
Not for long, no.
recording it.
I'm just gonna see if they need help. Can you text her? I would wait. Can you text her? It's up to her.
Come on, East! Hey, hey! Out though! East! Boy!
So this is the last, and the front is gonna go later. Did they split it into 4 groups?
What?
Did they split it into 4 groups?
I have no clue, Mom. I'm gonna say Lucy says it's up to you.
It's up to you. But I think, yeah.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm. Do you have Philip's phone number or his messenger?
Congratulations, Lucy.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. I want to talk to you before we leave.
Lucy wants to talk to you before you leave.
Boy! Hey! Good boy!
Good boy.
You got this. Go, Eddie.
She did it, huh?
Yes, she did great.
I got the video for her.
Awesome. We're going to be here for a long time. I think there's like 40 dogs in a class.
That's it?
I think so.
You want me to take Audrey out? Or is she fine?
No, she's fine.
Legato did not go clean. That was the only one. He's so different. He's so alive now.
Yes, I'm glad he's feeling better finally.
Yep.
So sorry. Everybody is resting. This was the, I think like a fourth of the dogs from the end. And it's getting very hot. Okay. The front dogs are getting back in the ring. Oh, thank you, Jesus, for the cloud cover. She's so amazing.
Hey! Come on! Hey! Come on! Hey! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Super boy!
Klaus moved up to second.
Yeah. Hey, hold it. I'm gonna run there with water. Thank you.
Go, Lucy. Go, Lucy. Fast round.
Hey, 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 hey! Get up! Hey!
Let's see, it's too zoomed in. I don't know. I just get. I don't know how you want to get that.
Thank you.
Lucy, you almost got smoked.
I know. I'm trying to be brave.
You were.
She's really brave.
I was watching an NFL kickoff, and I was just waiting for you to get jacked up.
We'd have picked you up, girl.
We would have picked you up.
Hey, offer Gatorade to Craig.
Oh, you go.
But quickly.
Should I go in there and I'll
Yeah.
come or no?
Craig. Gatorade. Okay. Oh, Karina.
Come on!
You need water?
Hey.
Looking good out there.
Good job.
You guys too, congratulations.
Thank you. I think I need to get you a towel. What happened?
I love you.
Here, I'm gonna see if Craig needs anything.
Yes. And Sam as well.
Shadow. Pastor. What happened? Yeah, because he pressed. So he make like this. This is shit.
Yannick, do you need water? Help yourself with water.
Where? Is it here?
What?
Water for the dog.
Yeah, that's it.
Andy! Hey! Tommy! Go! Tommy! Come! Tommy! Hey! Bobby, beautiful!
That's it. Good man.
I don't know. Stop.
Yes, so what do you do? It's down in your cat. You want me to do it, Lori?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
What place can we have? Yeah, I think because we lost 2 places. Because of that? Yeah. Nice. So he's the judge. He see what he wants to do. You don't need to tell him. So when it's wrong, he do. When not, not. I can talk to you about it. You want me to talk to you? He's angry now. I'm only happy that I don't make a mistake now. You are okay. Okay, go in the middle. What do we say for?
It's getting serious.
Yep.
It's beautiful. Till the end. Hmm?
We'll find Laura's dog. It's not in the
Travel
ring.
on 347, 347. Please bring your dog
Yeah, that's
back
out.
to the ring.
Sorry, now last time taking my
No, actually, it's 347, I think. No, it wasn't him.
No, it wasn't. 347. Yeah. Where'd he go?
I'm sure it's every.
Work it, guys.
Come on! Come on!
Jackson!
Oi, 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 oi! Come on! Check! Go now, go. Milano! Hey! Milano! Hey! Me pare! Hey! Shite! Milano! Hey! Now run! Come on. Teno! Cheer! Never! Hey! Cheer! Ah! Never! Hey! Yeah! Teno! Cheer! Never! Hey! Cheer! Yeah!
Hey,
Come on, Sander! Go, Sander! Come on!
yes, great job.
Number 8. Yeah, it's a good chance he gets to be 8.
Yeah.
I'll tell you later what happened.
Okay. Go.
Are you okay if I turn in our aprons for our cards? Already take care of that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Or do you need them?
But do you want? I actually want to say hi to the ladies. So if you don't mind, thank you.
Și 3 ani, uite acum vin.
Jackson!
Stay in there! Hey, 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 baby! Hey!
Come on, buddy.
Go, Kobe.
That's my man!
She went from first to all the way there. I mean, from last to.
No, it was in that group. He's separated in several groups. Okay, I think we're getting close.
Diarrhea too.
Oh, so much stress for these dogs.
Oh, you'll get it. Thank you so much.
And water flow.
They might stop over here. No, they're not.
I think we're done. Thank goodness.
Hey, Demo! Demo! Hey!
Hondo! Come on, Hondo!
Acum gata, e poziționează. Gata, să te n-am mai călăit. Nu că poate că acum le dă diplomele. Da, nu m-am vrut să-ți arăt un pic așa.
Sam? Sam? You need drinking water. Right, human. Ooh, I got it! Oh.
We're at the conclusion of the working male class. before Mr. Holman gives the placements and ratings on these dogs, we do have a special dog in the ring, Cadillac number 351. Is a handler owner trained all the way from BH to IGP1. Sorry, been a long weekend. Come on in, please. And before Harold speaks, I will speak on behalf of the United Schützen Clubs of America and our president, David Lister. Special thank you to all of the participants in our Seeger Show for this year. This show cannot go on without all of you. You are the most important people here today, all weekend. Congratulations for all your successes. And we would like to thank very much Mr. Roberto Caputi, who's coming over now. Thank you for first time in America from Ecuador. We appreciate you being here. Thank you very much. And of course, to the Piedmont Schützen Club for hosting this event. Thank you guys very much. You guys have
Oh, yeah, they do. Amazing. Amazing.
And they do not want to come out of their hiding place, but our office staff, USCA office staff, they are fantastic.
Oh, they're the best.
Worked very hard this week.
Yes.
Yeah, I have the worst view. I thought they were gonna end like everywhere over here.
So,
I thought they're gonna put them over here because these pictures from the photographer are not gonna be that great. The sun is like in the worst spot.
Last but not least, Mr. Holman, thank you for traveling from Germany here.
Yes.
And I will turn the mic to you.
So, we got it. It is the last class before the most important thing of the Seeger Show will come. Greetings, but first let me describe those dogs here. I know it is very hard, I don't do it too long, but I may say thank you for the invite. Everyone who knows me knows how much I like it to come into this country, and so it was nice again to judge also a Seeger Show again. I say thank you for the invite to the club. I say thank you to everyone who helped me here. This group in my tent during these 3 days made a great job, and that we here in this tent could make this great job. It was necessary that those behind us who could not see did work well, and they did.
I'm gonna go over there so I can take.
Thank you for everything this club, this
I can't even
USCA,
still talk.
did for us here.
I think I have a good cry in
Thank
me.
you for the breeders, thank you by the handlers to come here and to show their dogs. I will shorten it a little bit. Each dog in this ring that stayed here will have an excellent, and you could see, especially during the gating, that it is falling down a little bit, and therefore I don't want to describe all the dogs. You could see by yourself. Everyone saw it now long enough. I want to let them go into the shade. But you can see here in this region we have dogs which are heavy, especially in the front. Mostly they have a little short legs and they become limited and become a little short, especially in this heat. And this is why we are doing this, the competition, to lead them as sporty dogs. Therefore, they must have some conditions. But all of the dogs here in this ring are very, very good in very good in the expression, very good in the type, and each one, until the last one, are very good substitutes of our breed. Thank you for being here. And now, The exciting thing you will see now where the cut is. It is at 7. We have 7 VA dogs. Again, I say thank you, and the others may go out. The VAs, please stay here. So, to give a VA into on a Sieger show must make sense. When you are in a foreign country, it must make even more sense. Therefore, I am thankful I can judge during 3 days and see in the lower classes and especially in the progeny groups how these dogs act and the relatives of the dog, or sometimes also the progeny. And it is not always the case that the highest rated dogs from Germany or somewhere else will be here VAs. Again, it must make sense. And therefore, let's start. And please wait 1 second with a song celebrating. I want that the people can see the dogs and what I'm thinking about them. 339. Dema Hisma, a well-known dog and even high-rated before, but that doesn't matter. I decided to make him as champion here in this country when I saw his progeny. He has very good progeny, and you could see yesterday in the progeny group that his children have very often the same type. He is a Mars son, and I think that is important on the father line with this dog, because probably me as breeder expect there anything good, and it is that way because how I said, you could see it in the progeny. That is the main thing why this dog wins this class. He is VA1, he is correct, he has very good proportions, he has very good angulations in the back, just little narrow but very tight in the front, pretty straight. He is gating very good in each speed, and so I think, I'm sure I'm right, this is the deserved winner of USA in 2023. Next one is 318. A dog, I know him because even he comes out from Germany. He is a dog, and it's why he got into the VA. Beginning of this competition, I did not know where, but I know this dog and I knew he could bring something positive into this country. And looking at him, he is strong, he has nothing too much, but he has everything he has to have. He has a very good masculine head, he has a perfect upper line with a high withers, a very good long croup, very good back angulation, and a good upper arm. He is very straight in the lines, and you could see it by yourself. He gated with a lot of winning room, especially when it becomes faster and can do this. Congratulations to this really nice dog. I know he will stay here in this country, and I hope he helps the breeders going on. Congratulations. Three, four. Dog, even bred in Germany. He had here a couple very high ratings, and I respect this. He is a very good type. Most important at this dog is he is in the right over middle size. Even that, he is pretty masculine, and those progeny I could see of him I liked, and I saw that some of them were in the type of the father. He showed himself, he presented himself pretty good today. So I think VA on this placement is the right thing for him, and I would appreciate if the breeders with the right females would use him, because he can also, with his father and mother line, this is very important, could help this breed. He by himself is over middle size, has very good upper and underlying, good angulation, many muscles, and presented himself good. VA3, thank you very much. 342, a dog. He is well known everywhere, even in Germany and here in the United States. I have touched him a couple times. I have seen him often. I have very seldom seen him like today. He's absolute in good condition. He has a good, very masculine head, very, very strong bones, good top and underline, very good back angulation. As you know, I don't want to repeat this all the time. In these times, the back angulation is necessary. This is one of those dogs who can help us. And in addition, he's very straight in the front. That made it possible that he gained it very good today. Congratulations, VA. The next dog, I think he must be in the VA. We saw a progeny group yesterday, and this progeny group was pretty good, especially even those were mostly in the type of the father. Even from time to time, when it gets a little bit faster, you could think about the rating of this dog, but this is not a race here, and this is not a competition for beauties. This is a competition for breedings, and it is my belief that this dog will help the American breed, and therefore this over middle-sized dog, good masculine dog, with a good top and underline, with a very good back angulation and good front angulation. I think he even deserves the VA. Congratulations. I'm very happy to find another American breed to put in the VA. This dog is young, this dog cannot have progeny, but you can see him, you can see his father and especially his mother line, and you could see how he acted here in this ring. All this together makes me feel that this dog also will help the American breed, especially when there are females which need a little bit more correct proportions, especially in the head parts or in the middle hand parts. I hope I am right, this dog can help. He has very good back angulation, good front angulation, is very straight in the front line, almost straight in the back. He acted, he presented himself pretty good, and I think this dog will develop probably to a good star dog with his special over middle size. So this is what we want, and I hope you will give it to your females here in USA. Thank you very much, Carsten, VA. A well-known dog at the last VA. He was high rated a couple times, even home. He presented himself in pretty good shape today. He is masculine, he is big, he has a good upper line, little speed group. The back angulation is good, the front angulation is good. From time to time, I wish the pastons a little bit firmer, but you could not see it. The withers was during all the gating and during all the speeds the highest point, and he won a lot of room during gating with his type, with his father line. I think this dog will continue to bring good progeny for this club and for this country, and wish him everything good. Congratulations, VA. And now I finish.